Hi guys, welcome back, and tonight we're going to make something like a Fiesta Dip. Our ingredients are
salsa, diced tomatoes, refried beans, sliced olives, sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese.
okay, so let's start.
We need to combine the beans and the salsa.
Look.
Spread it on the tray. The sour cream, we need to spread it on top of the refried beans salsa mixture. Good. So we're going to spread 4 ounces out of an 8-ounce cheddar cheese onto the sour cream. I think it's about full.
And then the next is...
We need to put 3.8 ounces of diced olives on top of the cheese.
Where's your spoon? This is healthy olives.
8 ounces of diced tomatoes on top of the mix.
This one is 14. Also guys, I'm gonna start cooking the quesadilla.
Mozzarella.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to test it. It's a good flavor, good mix.
You like it?
Yes.
Ready na guys! Thank you guys for watching and daghang salamat sa pag.
Tanaw.
I hope you like our vlog tonight. Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.